Ordinary people lost their peace due to BJP's bike force violence activities in Khwai city and surrounding areas. Bike forces stormed the house of opposition MLA Nirmal Bishwas at midnight on Thursday. Several houses were vandalized and set on fire. Political tensions in the Khwai area have escalated over the incident. Several activists, including the CPIM MLA in Khwai, are victims of the BJP bike force attack. The Gerua forces carried out night-long riot in the Khwai Assembly constituency from 11 p.m. on Thursday night. At around 11 p.m., a group of bikers at first vandalized the boundary and gate of MLA Nirmal Bishwas' residence, threw 3 petrol bombs. The MLA's family, including the MLA, escaped from this petrol bomb attack somehow. When the people of the MLA's family, including the MLA, united to form a resistance with sticks, the army dropped 3 bikes and left. While the bikes were fleeing, another bike fell into the pond on the side of the road. Moreover, Rakhal Ghosh, along with his entire family, escaped from the hands of the bikers in Kathal Tila area of Khwai. That night, Rakhal Ghosh came out of the house to install the gate of the house, but 2 young men turned off the electric light outside. As soon as he entered the house and started shouting, the miscreants poured petrol and set fire to the veranda of the house. That fire immediately spread throughout the residence. Rakhal Babu's legs and one of his relatives' legs were also burnt in the incident. In such a situation, after many shouts, no one from the neighbors responded. The next time they went to Khwai District Hospital for treatment. 2 houses were also attacked in Madhav Tila area. The houses of Chandan Das and Bishwajit Das were vandalized. Bishwajit's younger brother Satyajit sustained severe injuries in his body. His father also suffered injuries. The Gerua forces numbered were about 35. Besides, they carried out violence all night in Shonatala, Ajgar Tila, Tablabari, Office Tila, Ganki, etc. areas. The houses of CPM workers and supporters in the area were vandalized.
কালকে রাত আনুমানিক 10:30টায় আমি বাইরে বেরোই, বেরোনোর পরে হঠাৎ করে আমি পেট্রোল করে আয়া দেখি 2টা ছেলে দাঁড়ায় দিচ্ছে। আমার জিজ্ঞাসা ভাল্বটা ভেঙে গেল। তখন আমি সিগলি মারছি, আমার বোন জামাই আসলো, গিলটা আমরা একটা ধরে রাখছি এবং তোমার পেট্রোল মারছে, মায়ের মেস মারছে, মায়ের আমরা কাপড় চোপড় যা আছে সব পরনের সব শেষ, পালাই দিয়েছি। আমরা মাটি পুরে চিৎকার করতেছি, কেউ আইসে না ভারত থেকে। তারপরে তারা গেছে লাগছে হলো পেট্রোল দিতেছে, পেট্রোল মেস মারি দিচ্ছে।
Besides, the BJP-backed hooligans set fire to a grocery shop in the forest area adjacent to the CPM party office. The entire shop burnt down into ashes. Bureau Report, Halabol.